Okay, let's take a look at net surface area. It means taking a shape and laying it out flat. So let's first of all take a look at a cube. So again, we're going to draw a perfect cube and then another perfect cube directly above off to the right, and then connect our corners. And I'm going to shade the base. So in order to lay that shape flat, we want to first start off by drawing the base. And we know the base is just a simple rectangle. Then we want to fold off any sides we can from that shape. Then we want to fold off the top. And notice, if you count up the number of sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have a 6-sided shape, just like a die. So now let's take a look at a rectangular prism. And drawing a rectangle and connecting the corners. So we're going to draw that shape flat simply by, again, drawing the base, folding off 4 sides, and then folding off the top wherever you have space on the page. So those are going to be our 2 basic shapes. I hope you are drawing a little bit smaller than I am. I'm going to shrink those shapes up a ton. So let's take a cylinder. So we have a circle and another circle. Now, some people have a difficult time wondering what this base looks like, what this shape looks like laid out flat. If you were to take a Coke can, Coca-Cola, and you were to draw its circles like this, and then cut vertically down and lay it out flat, it turns out it's a rectangle. Now, make sure that you fully understand how this works. And if you don't, cut out this diagram, roll it up together, and understand how it works. Okay, let's take a look at a triangular prism 1 version. So again, drawing our triangles and connecting all the corners. Now, what is the base of this shape? Well, it turns out the base is actually a triangle. So we're going to draw the bottom of the tent first. Then we're going to fold down the doors, I call it a tent, and the sides. And if you were to cut that out, fold it all together, tape it up, glue it up, whatever, you'll understand this stuff infinitely more if you haven't already done that in elementary school. So another type of triangular prism is a right triangle prism. And there's the base. The base has to be the same as the top. Either way, I'm going to draw the floor, which looks approximately like that. I'm then going to draw the 2 triangles being folded down. Then I have to draw the back folding down, and then the piece that meets up with it. So all these basic shapes. Notice we just have rectangles, circles, and triangles from the formulas we were supposed to memorize from the previous pages. A equals LW. A equals base times height divided by 2, the triangle, and the circle, A equals pi r squared. So these are all the basic shapes. We're now going to go through each of these individual shapes, laying them flat, calculating all their areas separately.